What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kato, and I'm back with another video. It might look a little blurred. My fucking camera's messed up, but listen, man. We have Rita's in Miami. If you know, you know. Best icy in the world. Fire. I'm eating it right now before it get melted. Like, I can't even talk. But I'm in Miami. You know. Had to come out to get an icy real quick. Cherry flavor, the best. Italian ices. Ten out of 10. Well, I remember I say ain't nothing perfect, but this shit busting. Like I said, you gotta eat this shit fast or it's gonna melt. How y'all doing though, man? Shout out, beautiful Monday, Memorial Day. Today's Memorial Day. I'm in Miami. I go back tomorrow. I go back to whack ass New York tomorrow. Been out here since Friday to Tuesday. So this shit right here though, hitting. And this is a small. Look how much I got left. Yo, son, man. Y'all see them palm trees, man. Like I said, if you know, you know. Outside. Cherry. Rita's. If you know Rita's, you know. If you know, you know. That's all I can say. If you know, you know. Who that? Might have to holler at Shorty after this, you feel me? I see Shorty by herself, you know what I mean? But this shit hitting. Oh my God, it's so good. I don't think we got to read this in New York. Best of the best. Cherry, 10 out of 10. My little thumbnail, you feel me? This shit busting on. It don't make no sense. After this, go to the telly, roll up, type shit. Feel me? There's a lot of drinks out here, man. I know I keep looking. A lot of drinks. Yeah. I want to show you something, but niggas in my way. I don't want to do all that. You don't want to touch. Hope I don't get fucking copyrighted because of the fucking music in the back. Let's see. From afar, she look alright, but I know if I pull up, it might not be what I think. But yeah, man, shit busting. OD. God damn it, so many women. So many women. God damn. One thing about Miami, man, I have a lot of eye candy, man. It's a lot. It's a lot going on out here. It's a lot going on. Yeah, gang. I'm sorry, I'm not even talking. But lamb chops. Damn, he drove too fast. I would have showed you the Lamborghini. Yes, sir. Almost done. See, I finished it with you guys, man. Next time, I'm gonna get like lemon or something. Cherry is good though. Bussin'. And that's it. Over. Rita's icy. Over. 10 out of 10. Well, like I said, nothing's perfect, so 9 out of 10. Shit bussin'. Oh shit, my car. What's my car doing out here? I gotta get tents. I gotta put tents on my Audi. But yeah, gang. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. MukBang. About to go try to shoot my shot real quick. And yeah. See y'all on the next video. Like I said, we in Miami. Oh, you can see right there, look, what it says? Miami City ballot. Excuse me. But yeah, gang, I'ma holla at y'all on the next video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, bell notification, so you see when I'm dropping another video. You feel me? Yeah, man. You on the road to consistent. I keep telling y'all, man, we gonna keep dropping. Every week. Drop. But yeah, man. About to go for a little stroll. I'm back to my room, out the heat. Yes, sir. Alright, gang. I'ma holla at you. I'm out.